We've got the 207 204 and we've got the 121. Have it all set up like that and with a working key. What we want to do, we want to read the EIS data. It's got all of our key files on there, and then we just want to save that. A folder. So we save our two files, but what that is, the files are for all our information from them here. Okay. What we can't get is obviously the password, so we're going to need to get the password. You made this key, didn't you?
Yeah.
All right. So we don't have to do a. Well, we don't have to get the password, so I can just collect it off this key. Identify the key, and then read the password. I can copy it. So because you've made a key for it, passwords are already set in these keys. It's not on the originals. You can't get passwords from the originals, apart from doing a spare key mode to collect the data that way. But yours is always going to have it, so I made it a lot easier. Okay, so we're going to copy that password. We're going to go back, read our data, and then we're going to paste our key password there. And then we're also going to get the erase code. The erase code is more for erasing the EIS, but I always collect that data anyway, so we've already got it, just in case somewhere down the line this EIS packs up, then we can at least transfer the data for the client if needed.
Sounds good.
And also when you write to this, you're going to need the erase code to reuse it if you need to.
Fair.
This probably takes about a minute. Right, and now you see password's already filled in. Now we want to save all this data. So we're going to save the EIS data, and it's the same as that one up there that we've saved originally, but we're going to actually name it. Underscore. We got ELV. Save and do the same for the next file. That's just so we don't use the wrong files, because they've both got the same information. All the start information is the same. Now we've collected all of that, saved all of that. We want to read this. So, because this has got its own information in there as well.
Flashing.
That comes up the top there. We're going to load our ELV data. It will then fill out absolutely everything. It's got the password in there, it's got the erase code in there, it's got the VIN number, it's got absolutely everything already loaded in there. And to complete that, we're going to go to auto clear. And we're just going to clear any personalised things on there and clear any issues that it might have. And then we're going to write.
Okay.
And that's it. So, green.
Oh, sick.
And then that'll start. There's another way on this. We're going to show you how to test as well.
Oh,
so let's take that out.
He's the man.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to actually test it, because we want to test to make sure that it's actually giving out the right CAN information.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go back to read the data, just so everything's connected. We're going to go to test EIS. So what we're doing, we're testing the switch now to make sure the switches work. So we're going to push start. It's going to ask us to put the key in and switch on. Now you can see the CAN lines, right? So your mechanical will be up the top there. So anything you do with a switch, if I disconnect this, this is what you would get. You see there? There's no other CAN status. So if you're checking to see if the steering lock's gone, you can just do this method, plug it into the OBD, pull that data, and then test it, and you can actually test the switch. So now we'll put the switch back on. We're What you see is active, and now it's giving you CAN lines, and that's it. So 15R will be AAC, 15 would be ignition, and 50 would be engine. So
Decent.
they were starting the car up. I think that's back to normal, like a normal switch. We stop that, and that's it. Complete.